Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Nutrition. In that we are studying topic types of pharyngeal tonsil. Now when I say pharyngeal tonsil, these are associated with pharynx, leaf-like structure, and tonsil is nothing but a fluid, or you can say a lymphatic tissue. Today we'll be studying about that. Pharyngeal tonsil. Now when I say tonsil, we all have studied about tonsils which children at the age of 4 and 5 have. They get difficulty in breathing if their tonsil region increases or it becomes hard. Now what are this tonsil and what are these pharyngeal tonsils? Now when I talk about pharynx, these are nothing but organs which are just situated below your nose region, and pharynx can be said as a common duct or pipe which is further divided into two different pipes. What is oropharynx and next one is nasopharynx. Now inside nasopharynx, which will further lead down into trachea, the windpipe, inside nasopharynx there are certain kinds of tonsils which are present, and every one of has this. These are nothing but lymphatic systems. When I say lymphatic system, this is the drainage system present inside a body which is spread throughout and across. Another drainage system is the blood system, which is red in color, whereas lymphatic system is colorless. And lymphatic system is associated with tonsil, which helps us to breathe very properly. And if your lymphatic system in the tonsillar region becomes little hard, then children get, especially in young age, due to cold or low immune system, tonsillitis, or you can say inflammation of tonsils. This pharyngeal tonsil is basically located just behind your throat region or near the lymphatic region, or you can say the nasal cavity region. They just adhere to the buccal cavity or the palate of your mouth. The two different types of pharyngeal tonsils would be, one is your nasal tonsil and another one is your lymphatic tonsil. Pharyngeal tonsil, various types. Now pharyngeal tonsils are basically part of the lymphatic system, and they are located just behind your throat region up to the nasal cavity, or you can see the nasopharynx region. They are present near the palate of the nasopharynx. Just beside nasopharynx there is oropharynx, and oropharynx will lead to your esophagus region, another region. Nasopharynx and oropharynx are associated. Oropharynx will lead down to stomach, whereas your nasopharynx will lead down to esophagus or your windpipe. Just between that there is an epiglottis lid present. Types of tonsils, or you can say types of nasopharyngeal tonsils, would be, one is your nasal tonsil and another is a lymphatic tonsil. Now when I say lymphatic tonsil, it means that your lymph nodes basically becomes swollen or inflamed and it is difficulty in breathing, especially young children or newborn babies, whereas nasal tonsils are found in adulthood or in younger individuals. Students, today in this part of the chapter we have studied about pharyngeal tonsils and in what age group it would be present. I hope you all are clear about this concept. Thank you.